Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. It is a gorgeous morning here today. It's warm. The wind is not blowing that very hard. Yeah, it's a feel good type of day, y'all. It's a feel good type of day. So, I have been on the internet doing virtual stuff. Yeah. But, I thank God for it. I thank God for it. But now it is time for me to get in my zone, y'all. It's time for me to get in my zone, the gardening zone, huh? Yeah. So I just want to bring you guys along with me to share what I'm doing. But listen, I just want to share this with you all. Uh, this is two blueberry plants that I have, and they've been in these pots since I purchased them, right? And so today, guys, I'm gonna put these blueberry plants in the ground. In the ground, I'm gonna put them in the ground. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna put them in the ground just right where they are. Yep, both of them are going right there. So, I'll take y'all along with me for whatever comes next, right? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yeah. Hello, everyone. It is such a beautiful day out there today. It was a peacefulness in the air. Yeah, it was a peacefulness in the air. It was calming, and all I had to do is do what I was doing and having beautiful thoughts going through my head, right? It was just a feel good type of day. Yeah, I got a lot done today. Yeah, and I thank God for just giving me the ability to continue to do the things that I love to do. It is a blessing. It is a blessing. Yeah. But here you see, I am cleaning around the tree, just getting a lot of these weeds up and all this grass that has grown around this tree all winter long. But that's okay. I don't mind it doing that during the winter. And I just come out here and get it all together. Get it all together the way I want it to be. Now, yeah, not having the tree is going to be a little different for me this season, but I'm not going to let anything deter me from doing what I love to do, and I'm just going to continuously do as I always did, uh, just as when the tree was here. Yeah, but this year we're just gonna make her look more grander than she ever been, right? Right. Now, I've had these two blueberry bushes for about maybe, this is the second season I've been having both of these blueberry plants, right? And last spring, I did get a couple of blueberries on them, but I think they would do better in the ground. So that's what we're doing today, y'all. I'm going to plant them right here, and this soil is just amazing because all through the year, I have nurtured this little bed, given it all kind of great compost, and it is just some of the most beautiful, easy soil to dig up. As you can see, it was just effortless for me to get this soil up. There was a lot of worms in there, and it was some. It's just a healthy bed, and this is what I was working with. Now, as you can see here, yep, I have some roots growing. Yeah, but that's okay because they're they wasn't very hard to get up. Now, in my community, we don't have light poles in my community. No, all of our electricity runs underground. So if you have this in your area, you should definitely know where those wirings are. But they're not. They are in a casing, and you can't just dig in a shovel and the light's gonna go out because they are truly covered and in safety covering. But I know where they are. I do have a diagram of where the wiring goes. And that is also because I have two servitudes in my yard. So if you don't know what a servitude is, um, so a servitude is when a company have a right to a part of your garden. I'm sorry, a right to a part of your backyard, right? So I have there's a servitude in my yard from my energy company, my light company. That's my 511 back there, y'all. Y'all know I'm stirring it up good with some super juice. Yeah. But also, I have another company, which is a cable company. They have a servitude with in a corner of my yard. Also, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and so I know where they are. But anyway, yeah. So I did have a bucket of super juice and 511 because that will be their first drink when I get them all positioned and put in this little bed. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in this little bed, and I think they're gonna do well here. Now this plant was, it was kind of different, but it seems like the soil in there was kind of a little soggy than what I expected it to be. So maybe that was one reason why she was not looking or performing the way she should. I'm not sure. But I think her problems is going to be solved today because now she's in a bed and it's just nice and rich organic matter in this bed. So I think she's going to do good here. So I put them close together definitely so they can pollinate each other, and I put the smaller one in the front, the tallest in the back. Yeah, and I think they're gonna do well. Yeah, but that is just one of the things that I did plant today. And here I have some Kellogg's, and I'm just going to cover everything up with the soil that came out the hole. So that is the soil that is going back on their roots, right? I did put some amendments in the hole itself for the plants. And also I'm just putting all the soil back in the hole, watching that right knee. Yeah, I forget about it sometimes, but it wakes up sometime and tell me, Yeah, but that's all right. So now I'm just putting all the soil back, and I do have a bucket also with some just some Kellogg's in it, and I'm gonna spray that all on the top of these little plants. Yeah, I'm gonna have all of that on the top. And in that Kellogg's, I also put some lime in it, some garden lime in it. I put some Epsom salt and blood meal. Yeah, those are what I put in that, the amendments for these blueberries. Yeah. And we will see if they love it. And I'm hoping that they do. I don't know why they wouldn't love it. I think it's really nice. So that is the Kellogg's right there that I'm spreading in there on them. Yeah. But as you can see, the day is just absolutely beautiful. My neighbor did come out of the house and kind of slammed the garbage can top really hard, made me look up, but yeah, you know, something and someone always try to steal your joy, right? But I just kept on doing what I was doing. Yeah. But now they are all planted and everybody is all happy. So now I'm going to stir up my 511 and get it all mixed up there good. Yeah. And now I'm going to just give it all of it. All of it. Mm-hmm. So now this is what I have done and it's all finished. Yeah. There's both of the blueberries and yeah, we'll see, how they like this. And of course, I hit them up good with that 511.
Hey guys, welcome back to the New Orleans Gardener channel. This is her granddaughter, Jaina, as you already know probably. And we are about to plant some seeds, but before I do that, I want to thank Danny's Corner for giving me this, and the gloves too. And it has the gloves and some
garden tools. Yeah.
Garden tools in there. And it's very convenient.
And you're going to put them to use today, right? Mm-hmm. Because we're going to drop some seeds, flower seeds, around the tree today. Let's get busy.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
All right. Make sure they can see it. Look at it.
I don't even know if this is open. I'm trying to see if it's open or not. Oh, it is. You're making a lot more progress than me.
What are you doing?
Trying.
Well, good. Just,
We're needing lines.
Huh?
We're needing lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. me see.
No, I saw it.
Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah. The camera leaning. I mean, the thing is leaning. Okay. There you go. All right. Oh!
Well, they're gonna be everywhere.
They're flying. They're flying.
They're going to be everywhere. I'm doing this with my left hand.
Huh?
This is very hard to do with your left hand. Very hard task when you're not left-handed. You have some good compost in here. You'll see a bunch of dead bugs. It's kind of sad, but it's compost.
Yeah.
Look at that. There's a grub. It's dead.
A grub?
Yeah. You think the birds will eat dead grubs?
I don't know. Look, I have that green, look, that little green cup. They got a